Are you interested in building a passive income stream from selling Kindle books on the Amazon store? Are you not much of a writer, but you still like the idea of having books sit on Amazon shelves and bring you passive income every month? Did you know that you can get quality writers to write you books for $80 to $90 per book? Hi, my name is Ivan Weston, and in this course I will teach you my automatic Kindle book publishing system. My course is all you need to know about how to build an automated publishing business. I'll teach you how to select the right topics for books. I'll teach you how to find writers for your books, how to format your books, how to open an account with Amazon. I'll teach you how to release the books and get reviews so that you can get on page 1 of Amazon and continually get sales. And once you've done all of that, I'll teach you how you can automate the business 100% so that all you have to do going forward is to find new topics for new books, and someone else will take care of the rest. I'll also teach you how to leverage the Kindle books and publish your books in a paperback and also an audiobook at no upfront cost. And my whole course is backed by Udemy's bulletproof 30-day money-back guarantee. So, are you ready to build your publishing business that is totally automatic? If you are, just press the Buy Now button and let's get started.